All right, guys, here's our unit. You can see the oil. I hope that shows up on camera. These valves are covered in oil. Even his solder joints right here are leaking. Then he's got this big piece of, it looks like 1/2 inch copper, maybe a little smaller than half. And he went all the way up here and he burnt that valve when there's clearly 3/8 right here. So I'm going to replace the dryer and then 3/8 it to the valve. So let me get started on tearing all this apart. I'm going to take the electrical panel and fold it over, and then I got to take this bottom panel off, and we'll get started.
Take it. got the time, don't wanna wake up in the cold again. I wanna be by your side in a candlelight. It's a little too late and it won't last long. I need to tell you everything before we're gone. It's a little too late and it won't take long. Need to show you everything before we're gone this time. Alright, I think I got it now, man. Y'all keep going.
Alright guys, I hope y'all were able to catch that. I had the camera propped up on my tripod. I got this one unsoldered, I got the big one unsoldered. Cut this pipe, cut the dryer out. I've got so many leaves around me that I've got to clear out. Alright, so we're going to clean this up some more. Get the new valves in place and wrap them with some oh shit, the Viper wet rag. That's it, the Viper wet rag. That's what we're gonna wrap them with. This one's ready. All I gotta do is unscrew it, take it out. All right guys, so I got both new valves in. Got the small one brazed in, I have it bolted down, I have the suction brazed in and bolted down, line set ready. Put a dryer. Alright guys, both valves are in. I used some wet rag to wrap them up. Everything is brazed in on both sides. The dryer is brazed in, new dryer. I haven't been able to get the film I wanted because, as Ted would say, we have a little bit of a helicopter here. But she just went inside, so I thought I'd get some footage. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some nitrogen on the system and pressure test it. While the pressure test is holding, if it looks like it's, if it looks like it's holding and I don't see no leaks, I'll start putting the unit back together. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, we have our nitrogen tank and we have the new S-Man 380 and 480V has a tightness test feature, and that's what we're in right now. We have not lost any, you can see, and we're at 35 seconds. So we're going to let that hold. I don't hear anything. The evaporator, I scanned it for leaks the other day, and everything looked good. So we're going to let this hold for about 10 minutes or so. Alright, we're coming up on 10 minutes and we're still holding solid. We went from 215.4 to 215.2 and 215.1, so I'm not worried about that. We didn't drop any, below 215, so I'm pretty happy with that. Let it sit a couple more minutes. Then we'll transfer into vacuum and start putting this unit back together. Alright guys, like I said, a little bit of a helicopter, but it's running. We're using the RS44B, which is R453A, and it's actually built into the S-Man. Sitting right there. I will continue to take the camera out. Thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate every single one of y'all, and we'll see you guys on the next one.